High-profile Tipra Motha spokesperson and senior leader Rajeshwar Debbarma officially filed his nomination today for the number 10 Kulai-Champahour constituency. The submission took place at the Ambassa SDM office, marking a significant entry into the TTAADC election race.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Accompanied by a wave of enthusiastic party supporters, Rajeshwar Debbarma's march to the returning officer served as a major show of strength for the regional party in the Dolai district. As a primary spokesperson and member of the Tipra Motha Politburo, Rajeshwar Debbarma candidacy is seen as a strategic move to solidify the party's narrative on indigenous rights.
Lamsogusini Khorang night and Hassan Joto Lukorogno, Simon ADC election Tangi Tongman Bagay, Dalbidal candidates Rosanzane, constituency war, nomination Yafari Tonka, Avata Haiklan, Tinin Shala, Ambassa 11, Kulai-Champahour, or Zagawa, nomination Yafarna, or any candidate Songi Naharzaka Lukorone, Hamzag Mumbai, Rajeshwar Debbarma. Because her by Sir Chinibus Onkologon of Lamsogusini Khorang.
Hambai Chini Khorang.
Sarmasagan Musugo, Tabo High Lukorogni, Hamzag Mungmanoi, candidates Hamzag Mani Bagay, Lukorogno, Sep, Kalina Bagay, Shabrazan Bagay, the Bomtimato.
I obviously see Bogani Vision, Tiprasani, Tinango, Khorang Tisai Tona Baginai, Tiprasani Imang, Obono, Muktang Kaina Baginai, Bobogra, Ano, Dostong, Kulai-Champahour, ADC constituency nomination, Dail Kanan Baginai, Ano Chance Rika, Tipra Motha candidate Kanan Baginai, Ano Suzugamba, Bobogra, Pila Hambemaro, Dail Lukurako, Agobe assurance Namusungo, Bobogra, Subsomino committed, Tiprasan Hamkan Baginai, Botuya Chaya, Tiprasan Baginai, Choba Klai Tongwano Nuktohana, Tipra Nisimi, Delhi Nisimi International, Joto Wono, Sini Bobogra, Sini Tiprasani, constitutional rights, fundamental rights, Sini Borokni, land rights, political rights, Joto Tina Bobogra, Choba Klai Tongo, Bini warrior again, Chung, Tiprasani Imangno, Tinango, Muktan Kana Baginai, Chung Kahamchai Tugnai, Oroni, Kulai-Champahour, Borokni, Lukuni Bial Nos Heplana Baginai, Bial Karinan Baginai, Abang Jotesto, Anu Kabang Bude Part Clay Pass Clay elected Clay, Ang Jonogoni Saba Kainai, Jonogoni Joto Samutana Baginai, Ang Prostut Tongo, Anu Kaplai Boot by Kabang Bude Boot Kabui Kaplai Clay, Noroni Amchayo, Tiprasan Joto, Tiprasan Hampan Baginai, Samutana Baginai, Ang Jotoni help, Jotoni blessing, Jotoni Asibat, Ang Sanu.
Lukorone Hamzag Musu,
Ang Belay Kano Katunka, Borok, Devana overwhelming, Belay Kano, Nornua Dabus crowded, Tine nomination and Puilan Salo, Belay Kano Bor, Sort of Sputo, Boroni Hamjakma, Belay Kano or Angluka, Borok Kubukuina, Hamkano, warm, welcome Kleka, Bone Hamjakmona Ang, Mangang Kiwi Mangla, Bone Hamjakmona Ang, Anis Hamu, like Ang Borokno, Bone Haksang Mang. More than 10,000 vote or Paneno. Tangre about Dosazan Bishi Pasco, what is like Kabang Goodbye, Taklai Sini Tipra Motani, Borodok, Ano, Kaplake, Avani Pishas and Puto.
Tipra Motha candidate list Zagna, Tangi Leri Tonka, Kabama, Zorawo, Kasawi Tonka, the by Tipra Motha, Alan Sangani Bagay, Kisat, Langlawiton is like a candidate from the list. Amatai Boko Kasawi Tonka, candidate from the list Rosa Yakari nomination by Yafar Mianish Halo,
Yabo, Chini Quacta candidate, including CM, EM Rock, Tai, David Murasing, Borok, Mia, nomination paper summit Kaika, Sini Tonor, Sina, the Bukra, Cinemanta, Shokan Bagay, Dilua, Jetu, BGP Party Tongo, Bona Baginai, BGP Party Tong, Part Sorka Tong Baginai, our David Amana Bagino, Cox Halima Kisa, Big like abo buat prosesan dong hai ke sini prati sing tebo segang no sing klaiman komo abon bagai sini prati leria bu BJP ri khangkano singrena hini bu agi bu saja accordingly bu gra sei bebe no sini election ni jara contested candidate ni list mia bair khlaika aro office thang tongo sini nomination paper submit khanan baginai sini 10 Kulai-Champahour ni returning officer ni office thangi sini Tipra Motha ni nomination blai submit khlainai bubugrani dagimung abono jotono yak khabai khubai ke yasugina kha sini joto oroni leaders ro all rank and file of Kulai-Champahour ADC constituency ni jotono united thancha complying nai oro comply simia belai kabang but nawine complying nai record but by bubugran thaniwo rani baginai chesta nai tongo ang bedigoto candidate hisabe tai sini oro Premlal Molsom oro tai kabang mar sini Surojit Mok tai sini joto bereng ni leaders rok joto na khabaksa tai thancha bobo-grano kaham ke oro election ni apply khlainai bini thaniyo ya pharna bagi joto na committed joto na dedicated hambai
election niya gulo jodi sisar na apply man niya gulo Kulai-Champahour na bom thai khlagi salai to bono
joto na collectively oro decision nanai je area was सबसे important को develop खाइने नि samung खाइने नि abono tei khlainai road tongo education tongo water tongo all round develop खाइने baginai sai tongnai
or jagawo kono mungsaso jeng jalro ongoi tongmana aboro point khlaibinu de nukja
oro kabangma tongo jeta samung khlaije ga thangnai bisirogo tabuk oro leader sabai asugine find out khlainai bu samungno bisi सबसे priority ren nangnai first second phase second phase ke update ke samungni schedule program khainai abon pore samung khainai
ke sir kaisa kok sunan mo so gumiawo je kabangma Tipra Motha ni leaders ro BJP bai join ang baikha enka ke or jaga wo MDC sodagar koloi samane Tipra Motha ni leaders ro corrupted nei bo saklaika abona tam kok phirna
nabo to buni personal opinion personal matter personal decision abo o election somoy rogo boro ticket dinai kha abo thanjani mariwo boro committee ya ab hai to BJP ni basinar phayo CPN ni phayo abo tobo boro abo hai decision nam nabo sini thanjani o belaikano abo sungno kham chehro sini khorokcha warrior tomoni kha baike abono accept khaimaliya however abo bini personal decision hamba
sir belana hambai jeng bai kereng mane bagai hasine lukorok jotono saibano Tripura sorone hamkhrai khlaiban bagai dalbidal bodol phaikha thangkha getabok tongoi bo tongo abo hai bo tongo aboren bisingo no kaisangkha Tipra Motha kabangma jorawo dalbidal party asaikha kamawai bo thangkha abo hai khlaiwei no asuk jora sa phaibi shok paika Tipra Motha hanai ika abo asaikha bishi basaka 2021 no asaimani Ngake borok ni sakthar mung Tipra sorone hamkhrai naimani bisingtei ni borok bisiba bokakha bisibani ya gola haina hai borok ni election angnani thangoi tongo ke lokorona hamjak mungni bisingtei borok jani candidate robo saibina laikha o saibina laimani bisingtei no dalbidal amsaiwo STC do nomination robo yafarei tongbaibo candidates ro abo haikene tini salobo Ambassa Kulai-Champahour ro nomination yafarnani bagai phaibi shok phaijak Rajeshwar Debbarma sar kisa jorani ya gulo no oro jagawo ya pharnai nomination blai Rajeshwar sir a returning officer ni thaniwa
Reported with Subarna in private from Ambassa Chini Khorang